These strange vertical forms were never created for beauty. In different cultures, successful people kept them for one reason. They called them money catchers. These forms could look like statues, amulets, or ancient artifacts. This is not a joke, but ancient wisdom. For it is known, what you surround yourself with determines what enters your life. If wealth still bypasses you, this sacred practice is for you. Today, clay is our tool and our conductor. I will lead you through 4 stages of shifting your attention and internal state. Simply watch my hands and allow financial changes to happen. Step 1. Centering. Abundance always begins at the center. When your attention is scattered on debts or fears, money simply has no place in your field. Stop. Bring your attention back to yourself. Feel your support. Tell yourself quietly, I stop scattering my strength. I direct financial energy into my center. I am ready to hold. Your life, like this clay, is capable of taking form. Without a center, it wobbles and loses its purpose. Finances work the same way. Gather your attention and right now, direct it to your lower abdomen. Feel the warmth in this area. This is your point of support and the point of pleasure from material resources. Concentrate on this warmth in your lower abdomen. Step 2. The Money Conductor. Now we are creating a form that successful people love to keep in their homes. This is the money catcher. In ancient knowledge of space organization, this vertical was called the golden axis, or an antenna for yang energy. It is a conductor for capital. As I pull this axis upward, feel your financial space being released from barriers. You are creating in your field a magnet for resources. Imagine the wealth you've dreamed of. What is it? A new apartment or a business? Lay an imaginary path from this dream to the energy point in your lower abdomen. Feel the warmth. New resources and opportunities are already close. Step 3. A container for wealth. Often, material goods do not stay in a home because there is no space for them. When we live in constant deficit, our field shrinks. But money requires volume. I am shaping this bowl as the embodiment of your new financial capacity. Clay is living matter, the best conductor for such things. We expand the clay and the walls of this form. Together with them, your ability to receive benefits expands. The warmth in your lower abdomen spreads through your body. Fix this state. If resistance appears at this moment, It is an important sign. Allow the form to change. Allow yourself to be open to new opportunities and resources. This bowl is your readiness to hold abundance. Step 4. Filling. Close your eyes. Now the conductor and the bowl have become one whole. Your desire and your ability to receive have united. Fill this form with the intent of abundance and stability. Tell yourself, my home is tuned to receive. My financial flow is open. I allow wealth to fill my bowl. Our practice is complete. This form is an invitation for new financial opportunities. Recall this image and state from time to time. And also notice the signs around you. They will happen. What did you feel during this ritual? What thoughts caused protest? Write to me in the comments, and we will work on it in the ritual workshop.